welcome back to my channel. This is Yummy Brown of Yommycrochetlogy, and today we are going to unbox a very exciting parcel from Hobbii, and these are one of the few members that they added in their collections of beautiful yarns in the website. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a like. And also comment below your favorite colors or which Hobbii yarn that you loved most. And today we are going to unbox this, and let's see what's inside this parcel. And also we will use this into our project straight up, a tutorial of a very beautiful stitch. This is what Hobbii packages look like every time you order from them. Parcel bag with the Hobbii logo written in front in a beautiful teal color. And also you have a fun thing to do every time you order from Hobbii. So they hashtag unboxing Hobbii. You can share it on your Facebook or in your Instagram. And then they will randomly pick winners from those unboxing videos that you showed to them using the hashtag Hobbii unboxing. These are the yarns that I picked, and I would like to make a review and show you guys. They're amazing. So obviously we always have the heart lolly and someone's reaching for it. There you go. So let's take them out first so you guys can see the shades that I picked. All empty now. So let's see what we have here. So they're too kind to send me a bag. So this is the bag. You can put your stash or whip here for my fluffy projects. It's so beautiful. It is a canvas bag with beautiful leaf prints. That's the inside. Very beautiful. I like it. So, and this is the strings in the sides that you can just pull and close, and it's very sturdy fabric, canvas fabric. Now we will have a look at the yarns that we have here one by one. I only picked one kind of new yarns they have in their website. This is the Sultan Solid. So there are different kinds of Sultan out there in the website, and this one is the Sultan Solid, meaning it's just solid colors, not gradient, no mixed colors. It's just all solid colors. And this is what the jacket look like. So this is the information in the jacket. It says Sultan Solid, and it is 100% cotton. Again, there is a Sultan yarn variation on the website that is mixed cotton and acrylic. This one is pure 100% cotton, and this is a 100-gram cake. 100 gram is equal to 400 meter. Okay, so this is 400 meter, a very compact cake for a 400 meter. There's the QR code there that you can scan and look for more information. This is a fine or category 2 weight of yarn. So it is 100% cotton. And then 100 gram is equals to 400 meter. Crochet hook will be 4 millimeter crochet hook. And then this is the gauge and sample stitches. Okay, so also it tells you how to take care of your garments using these yarn. This is the color that we have here, the color 3, and this is color 2. So they sit next to each other on the website. So this is color 2, Dialect 1, and this is color 3. So this is like white, beige. I have here the red. It's very stunning red. Right, so this is color 7 on the website, and this one is color 11 on the website, so it's probably sitting next to the pinks. Okay, so this is like closer to pink color, dusty rose, not really pink. And red. This is, I believe, is magenta. So this is color. So this is color 12. This two here, the magenta and the dusty pink, is actually sitting next to each other on the website, since this is color 12 and color 11, and this is color 7. I picked this for this unboxing or review for a specific reason. They will become a new pattern that you guys would definitely love. These are the colors 11, 12, 7, 2, and 3. These are the colors.
So let's have a closer look to the strands, it has 4-ply, or it's 4-ply yarn. It's not twined to each other. Instead, it's a separate kind of thread or yarn. So this yarn will be used in our future project, which is a daisy lace stitch. This stitch is used into my current pattern that I called Marjorie floral lace sleeves top, and this is the color 11. How beautiful this stitch is. It gives that delicate kind of garments. We will have this tutorial in the next upload, so stay tuned. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope to see you guys next week, and goodbye.